find the residue. Yes. Okay then. There is nothing, then that is good. Let us do some more example. I gave in the last class, I gave you the formula to calculate residue. Once you are having of this form, where is that? Yeah, this one. Read the statement once again and try to see what they are asking for. Okay, so let us do some more examples. In last class हम लोगों ने pool of order, that is simple pool का question किया था. Let us do some more problems where you are not having simple pool. So suppose the question is like this. Oh, just 1 second. I need to switch on the OTG. So solve this integral. Integral say 3z cube plus 2 divided by z minus 1 into z square plus 9 over some contour C, where C is, where you can say taken counterclockwise around the circle. E is this, mod of z minus 2 equal to 2, and B is this, mod of z equal to 4. So how will you solve this? Anybody? How will you solve? Can I solve it by Cauchy integral formula? Yes, of course you can do, but don't you think that would be quite lengthy process, because you have to do the partial fraction first. First, let us see what are the singularities. What are the poles here? What are the poles? Yeah, you have to see this function. Denominator 0, so the roots are z equal to 1, z square equal to 9 means what? Z square is z equal to plus minus 3, correct? So these are the three roots, and let us do the first one, E. What is this? Mod z minus 2 equal to 2. Can you draw this? What is this thing? Yes. Okay. Yes. If you then again, correct. Center 0 and radius 4. Perfect. And do you see that all the singularity lie inside? Everybody 1 plus minus 3. Everybody lie inside that. Right? Yeah. I'll just quickly go through the first one. In the first one, this was the region, mod of z minus 2 equal to 2. So this was having center 2, radius 2. So I have drawn this. So you can say this is 2 and radius 2. Now what are the singularities? Singularities 1 plus minus 3i. So I'm putting it, 1 is here, 3 is here, minus 3 is here. That is 3i and minus 3i. Here it is 3i, here it is minus 3i. I got to see that जो भी मेरा region दिया था उसके अंदर I am getting only one singularity of mine. So other two people are not a problem for me. So what I'm doing, I can write the function like this. The whole z square plus 9 को ऊपर रखा, नीचे z minus 1. Now by using extended Cauchy integral formula, I can write that integral f of z upon this z minus z naught, that is 2 pi I f nth derivative upon n factorial. Can I use it here? Yes, because my function, whatever integral, that is of the same form. The condition was your z naught should lie in C. Here my 1 lie in C, so I can use that. So answer will be 2 pi I into 3 into 1 cube, whatever that is. At the place of z I am putting 1. and the answer is pi I. Now in the second case, this is my region, that is mod z equal to 4. So that means it is a circle with center 1, radius 4. Correct? So do you see all the similarities? 1, 3i and minus 3i, everybody lie inside your contour. So in this question, all the people are problem for me. So how will you do? Can I use Cauchy integral here? Can I use Cauchy integral formula? Because in Cauchy integral formula, we can deal with one singularity at a time. So how should I do? This was z square. So can I do this? Can I apply Cauchy integral formula here? I can apply Cauchy integral formula, but do you think क्या करना पड़ेगा अपने को? I have to use partial fraction. I have to divide each of the singularity like this. I have to break this something of z minus 1 plus z minus 3i plus z plus 3i. And do you see that is quite difficult to do here? Do you see? It will be quite lengthy and it is quite difficult to go through, do, and it is quite time consuming. So now here comes your Cauchy residue formula. What is Cauchy residue formula? What is Cauchy residue formula? That is integral sum say phi of z upon whatever और डायरेक्टली मैं बोलता हूँ इंटीग्रल ऑफ f of z dz that will be equal to 2 pi I into sum of residues. You may have so many roots, say n root रहा तभी भी चलेगा. So z equal to zi, where z equal to zi बोलता हूँ मैं, and your I can be equal to 1 to n if you are having n roots. That is, if you are having n singularity, then you can apply Cauchy residue theorem. All what you have to do, you have to find residue of each of the singularity. That is what you have to do. You have to find residue of each of singularity. Then to solve the integral, you just have to do this. Now, so let us start. So let us find residue of z equal to 1 first. For z equal to 1. For z equal to 1, can I write my function like this? That is 3z cube plus 2 upon z square plus 9. 3z cube plus 2 upon z square plus 9 upon z minus 1 dz. Okay, so I'm trying to calculate residue. Do you see I have a theorem? I want to use that to calculate residue. It is quite easy to do. Do you see? An isolated singular point z naught of a function is a pool if and only if it can be written as phi of z upon z minus z naught raised to m, and phi of z must be analytic at z naught. So is this guy satisfying the condition? To calculate residue at z equal to 1, I am writing my function as this form. All I need to check is the numerator part. Is this analytic at z equal to 1? The numerator part, is it analytic at z equal to 1? Yes, of course it is analytic. There is no problem for z equal to 1. So residue का formula क्या आएगा? Residue of f of z at z equal to 1, it will be what? जो भी है इसको I'm writing like this, phi of z upon z minus 1 ऐसा. So residue of whole function it would be, याद है, this is pole 1, pole of order 1. So इधर क्या आता है? Just phi of z naught. So what is my z naught here? That is phi of 1. So it will be just phi of 1. So answer would be यहाँ पे 1 put कर दो तो 3 plus 2 that is phi upon 10. so that is 1/2. So residue of z equal to 1 मिल गया. What about next? For z equal to 3i, can I write my function same जैसे मैं पहले लिख रहा हूँ? Can I write it like this? 3z cube plus 2 upon z plus 3i into z minus 1 and whole upon z minus 3i. All I need to check is the numerator part. Now this is my phi of z. Tell me. All I need to check is numerator, whether numerator is analytic at z equal to 3i. Yes, there is no problem at 3i. Problem is at minus 3i and at 1. I don't care. So residue of f of z at z equal to 3i, it would be what? Just phi of 3i. Do not confuse, ये phi अलग है, ये phi अलग है. So I may use phi 1, phi 2 ऐसा लिखूँ तो भी चलेगा. So but that will make you feel different. So let us put like this. Phi of 3i क्या आएगा ये? So it will be 3 into 3i का cube plus 2 and that is divided by 3i plus 3i into 3i minus 1. 3i minus 1. Because here also it was pole of order 1 only, correct? So same you calculate this and you get that answer. You get the residue का value मिल गया. And same you have to do for z equal to minus 3i. For z equal to minus 3i, you have to write your function whatever it was, something 3z cube plus 2. Here you will be writing z minus 3i here, z minus 3i into z minus 1 and the whole upon you will be writing z plus 3i. Now I am talking about z equal to minus 3i. Na? So can I write it like this? The numerator one is my phi of z now and this is z plus 3i. So what will you say now? How will you claim? Residue of f of z at z equal to minus 3i, it will be phi of minus 3i. Make sure I am talking about this phi and here this is my phi. So you just have to put minus 3i. So 3 into minus 3i the whole cube plus 2 upon this is 3i minus 3i minus 3i. So that will be minus 6i into minus 3i minus 1. So these are the, just you have to calculate it properly, that's it. These are not a problem for you. So yeah, what next? So what will be your final answer? So your final answer would be by, you may write by Cauchy residue theorem. Cauchy residue theorem, integral of f of z dz is equal to what? 2 pi I into sum of residues, whatever residues at that point. So in our case we are having three singularities, that is 3 z cube plus 2 upon z minus 1 z square plus 9 dz. So it will be what? It will be 2 pi I into residue of f of z at z equal to 1 plus residue of f of z at z equal to 3i plus residue of f of z at z equal to minus 3i. Do you see? Now you just have to substitute the values. What are they? 2 pi I, इसका value 1/2 है and ये जो भी हो you put it and solve it. That is your final answer. Do you see, this is quite easy method to do. Instead of going to partial fraction, it is quite easy to handle this type of integral. Correct? Is that clear to you? Do you have any doubt here? Then tell, you can ask now. Yes? Or I may quickly repeat once again. Let us quickly see first क्या किया हम लोगों ने. This was z minus 1 z square plus 9. These are the three, and all my singularity are lying in the region, so I have to solve. So I cannot go with Cauchy integral formula because it is not of that form. If there was only one singularity, then I could have done, or if every singularity is in different something, this upon first singularity, this upon second, then also I can use my Cauchy integral. But here I cannot do. So I can use by Cauchy residue theorem. I just have to calculate residue of each of my pole, residue of first, second, and third. So that is what I am doing. So for z equal to 1, how will you calculate residue? Residue में क्या होता था? Just you have to write z minus 1 in denominator and keep everything on the top. That everything you just have to check whether it is analytic at z equal to 1. Yes, it is analytic at z equal to 1, and it should be non-zero of course. Otherwise, everything will be 0. So it is phi of z upon z minus 1. So this is residue of f of z upon at z equal to 1. It will be just phi of 1. I hope you remember this theorem. अभी तक हम लोगों ने मल्टीपल रूट का नहीं किया है. That is pole of order n का नहीं किया है. We are just doing the first formula till now, since m was 1 here in our case. Okay. Yes. So then what, you just have to calculate residue for z equal to 3i. In the denominator you will be getting z minus 3i. Everything on the top, everything on the top, it will be my phi of z. So you just have to get that. Same third one like this, and final answer will be sum of all residues. Okay. Let us see one more example. Solve this integral. Integral, say dz upon z cube into z plus 4. Tell me what are the singularities and what are the multiplicity of the singularities. Where contour C is, you can see two things, that is first is mod z equal to 2 and second is B, you can say mod of z plus 2 equal to 3. How will you solve this? Yes, mod z equal to 2. First of all, what are the singularities? Z equal to 0 and z equal to minus 4. So z equal to 0 has multiplicity of 3. 0 is repeating 3 times. That is actually called algebraic multiplicity in linear algebra, if you say. So mod z equal to 2. If you draw this, it will be just a circle with radius 2. So just like this, and singularity 0 is lying inside that, and minus 4, that is not lying. Minus 4 will be somewhere here. So only one singularity. So I can rewrite the question like this. Dz or 1 upon z plus 4 as it is divided by z cube dz. Tell me, can I use my Cauchy integral formula here? Even actually either you use Cauchy integral, residue, दोनों same ही होते हैं. You'll get the same answer whatever you use. Here it is easily visible कि ये Cauchy integral, because I am dealing with only one singularity at a time. So z equal to 0. So what is Cauchy integral formula? 2 pi I f nth derivative. This is n plus 1. So it will be second derivative. तो इसका second derivative क्या आएगा? Suppose I am putting phi 1 upon z plus 4. What will be the first derivative? Phi dash will be minus 1 upon z plus 4 the whole square. Correct? And what is your second derivative? It will be raised to 2 minus 2. So it will be plus 2 times minus 1. So it will be 2 upon z plus 4 the whole cube. Na? ये आएगा ना? So it will be phi double dash at z equal to 0. You just have to put z equal to 0. तो ये क्या आएगा? 2 upon 4 cube. So it will be 2 upon 4 cube upon n factorial. Upon मतलब 3 था तो upon n. This was n plus 1. So upon 2 factorial. 1 upon 2 factorial. So this is gone. So answer is, so 64, 32. Pi I upon 32. So answer will be pi I upon 32. This is my first answer. Is that clear to you? I am using this formula. I hope you understand. I was dealing with only one singularity, so I can use my कॉशी इंटीग्रल फॉर्मूला किधर है, किधर लिखा था मैंने, या हियर इट इज. You see, f of z upon z minus z naught raised to n plus 1, it can be written as 2 pi. The answer will be 2 pi f nth derivative upon n factorial. This is what I did there. Okay. So this is done for the first one. What about the second one? Z plus mod of z plus 2 equal to 3. Let us draw that first. Mod of z plus 2 equal to 3. How will you draw this? Tell me. What is center? What is radius? Yes, center is -2 and radius is 3. So -2 will be somewhere here. -2 you can say, and radius is 3. So 2 it will be something यहाँ से जाएगा ऐसा कुछ, something like this. Okay. So but look at the question. What are the singularities? 0 and z equal to -4. Whether z equal to -4 lie inside the contour. What do you think? Whether z equal to -4 lie inside the contour. z equal to माइनस, ये देखो ये -2 है, रेडियस इज 3 ना, सो रेडियस इज 2, 2 से 3 तक जाएंगे तो दिस पॉइंट इज एक्चुअली 5, -5. So -4 is lying here, -4 is here and 0 is here. So both the singularity are lying inside my contour. So how will you handle this? The question was something dz upon z cube into z plus 4, correct? So how will you handle this? Can I use my Cauchy integral formula now? No, because I am dealing with two singularity, and the problem is that this is z cube. I cannot use partial fraction also. I mean, you can use that, but it will be quite lengthy. So what you should use? You should use this will be equal to 2 pi I into residue of function at z equal to 0 plus residue of function at z equal to -4. So these are the two things you have to find. So for residue at z equal to 0 क्या निकालेंगे, कैसे निकालेंगे? For z equal to 0 you have to write your function like this, dz upon z plus 4 upon 1 upon लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे dz, correct? So use the theorem. So this is my phi. This is phi of z upon z cube dz. What is the formula? Do you remember residue का formula? Residue of f of z at z equal to 0, it would be इधर पावर 3 है तो इसका एक कम करो, so पावर 2, मतलब it will be phi second derivative at 0 upon 2 factorial. If you see that Cauchy integral हम लोग पीछे करके किए, उधर भी यही आया था. Actually we were doing the same thing. We were not using the word and even luckily मैंने उसको भी phi बोलकर ही किया, so that you can relate that. So do you see आंसर यहाँ पे क्या आता है? 2 कैंसिल, 1/4 क्यों आया था? 64. So ये क्या आएगा? 5 square it will be upon 2 factorial ना. So if you said, yeah, this will be, yes, 1/64. So this is 1/64. ये हो गया. What about second one? For z equal to -4, you again have to write your function 1 upon z cube upon z plus 4, correct? dz. So that will be, this is my new phi of z and this is z plus 4 dz. How will you calculate this? Residue of f of z at z equal to 4, it will z equal to -4 no? It will be just phi of -4. So it will be 1/4 cube, again 1/64 na, but minus में, it will be in -1/60. So your answer, do you see the answer is 0? Your answer would be integral dz upon z cube into z plus 4, that is equal to 2 pi I into residue at z equal to 0 plus residue at z equal to -4 of function. and one of them is 1 upon 64 and one of them is minus 1 upon 64. So answer is 0. Is that clear? This is how you should solve these type of problems. Okay. So you see the practicals and try to solve. There are so many problems and same technique जो भी हम लोगों ने बात किया है, if you go through the technique once again you will understand properly and ask the doubts if you have some. Do not shy in asking the doubt. Okay.